How to earn money on Clapper app. The first things first, Clapper application is actually quite the same with TikTok. What makes them different is TikTok engages more in viral trends, but Clapper engages more in community engagements. So what you can do for this is you can actually download it and is available for Android and for iOS devices. Download the application, and just like your general social media platform, that you need to reach out a certain amount of followers first so that you will get monetized. Once you've read it out, you can do to earn cash or money on this application is you can express through features like live streaming, creating subscription tiers, and receiving tips from followers. But of course, it requires a lot of work for you to be able to, make any content from the videos that you would be posting. It actually kind of works the same with TikTok or even Facebook. You have to reach a certain amount of followers first so that you can earn. So those just are the important thing that you have to do first before you can earn money on the Clapper app.